Gary, what is behind the drop? Is this just profit taking, or is there a bigger problem going on?
Well, Rhonda, I think profit taking is part of this, but I think investors are just generally turning a bit more cautious. You know, we had a good run in equities over the past year or so, and they've come a long way in that period of time. And I think investors are sort of anticipating that maybe a lot of good news is already built into the market. So just a normal pullback, we think.
So you don't think it might drop officially into more correction levels, and we might see 20% correction in terms of market drop from here?
I don't think we're anticipating something like a 20%, but this pullback could be a little bit similar to what we saw earlier this year, or maybe a little bit more. I know in January we saw the market down about 6% or so. This time, as the market's coming down, we could see maybe a 10% pullback or so, maybe a little bit more. We haven't had a 10% correction or bigger than 10% correction in almost 2 years, so it wouldn't be unusual to see that kind of volatility after the run that we've had in the market.
We are, of course, just starting the quarterly earnings season. Many are expecting some disappointing reports. We know analysts have been bringing down their numbers. Is that also playing in here in terms of this sell-off, and potentially could that make it worse?
Well, you know, the earnings numbers that we're likely to see are going to be somewhat, we believe, on the soft side, because the economy did cool off quite a bit over the winter when the weather was so bad. I think the investors are sort of bracing for bad numbers, and that might be why we're seeing some weakness now. But expectations for earnings are very low right now, so we could get some positive surprises along the way too. That could help support the market on some of the down days.